this gardening's making me hungry. How about a healthy snack?
Hey, Salty, Max and I are hungry.
Right! How about putting together one of your healthy snacks, Salty?
Oh, ahoy there, mateys. What a great idea. Let's make pirate ships.
Pirate ships?
We can't eat a pirate ship.
Oh, of course you can. Here, look at these.
Wow, they look great.
How do we make them, Salty?
Well, the first thing I learned in pirate school is anytime you prepare food, you wash your hands with soap and water. So, there we go. Now we're ready. All right. So, you take an apple and you cut it into 8 slices. I usually end up with 7 because I ate one. Get it? Yes. Well, anyhow, Max, why don't you make one with me? Here, have a piece of apple. Yes. So you take the apple, which is the ship, and you take a piece of cheese, put that in, and now you've got a sail, a mast, and a ship, an edible pirate ship. 55 calories, 3 grams of fat, loaded with vitamins A and C and calcium.
Wow, let's eat.
Yes, let's.